This video is to show you how to replace the ear tips on the Bose QuietComfort earbuds. Here we have a set of Bose QuietComfort earbuds, and it's fairly simple to replace the ear tips. They're flexible silicone material. First thing you would do is pinch the back and pull it, and then pry it upward. There are small plastic clips that hold the ear tip in place. As you can see, there's a hole here, so it's different than other Bose earbuds. You want to make sure you get the ones that have the hole that go through them. You want to make sure you get the right ones. We sell these replacement ear tips at centralsound.co. So you just pull it and stretch over the plastic clips. Very similar to the OEM style. Same material, same feel, and same size. And if you need any of these replacement ear tips, we have them in different colors. The triple black, stone blue, and we also have the soap stoned.